Today's episode is, the bad guy steals a tractor from the farm. I am going to steal this tractor.
Hey! Get back here with my tractor. Hello? Is this the police? The bad guy just stole my tractor. I want you to chase him down with cars and army trucks. Thanks, bye.
Holy crap. The farmer just called the cops. I better make a run for it or else I am going to be jailed.
Hey, you stop this tractor immediately.
You back off, you stupid police officers.
Pull over right lumping now. Stop the tractor right now, bad guy. You're under arrest for stealing the tractor. You will stay in jail for 800 decades.